Can you reach one of the ones that's already cut? I just want to make sure that I always second guess myself on what the depth is going to be.
I think we cut them all at 1 3/4.
Yeah, 5/16 sticks in my head. I just don't remember. Oh, 5/8, yeah. 5/8 plus a CH. That makes sense. Okay, thanks.
Gives us some room for the sanding table.
Yeah.
The end of June, starting to get humid in the shop. Been a while. We were doing kind of same old, and Saturday we shot a dedicated how-to video for eye splices. So didn't shoot a vlog. Ended up getting a lot of the areas of the shop cleaned up. Office is still a little bit blown up. This stuff's got to go back in the trailer. Just haven't gotten to it. Black rope tension drum turned out sweet. Demon drum is done. Gonna take it to a muster where the guy's gonna pick it up. A couple eames that came in for new heads, new rope. We do have some instruments in from a high school for repair. Broken bolts, new heads, new tom trim, a horn that needed some spot relacquering and some dents pulled. Snare needs some new snares. 2 Steve Weiss drums done, ready to go. Once they send over a PO, they're in the mail. That is a good place to be. We would like to have 2 more in the chute. We're waiting on a huge order. We have a 1414 here curing out, so wet sand will be next on that. This was a custom job. It's ready to ship, and a base up here waiting on hoop stock. We also have all the hardware ready to go for the next round of concert toms. We should probably see that week after next, and then it'll be all hands on deck for that run. In the meantime, we're slabbing up a bunch of hoop stock. We had a 14-inch shell over in the racks, and we sold both 14-inch drums online. Got to get some more in the chute to take to musters.
Yeah, that's what build it out.
These are the hoops for it. They need some 2-ply lamination inside so they actually register on the head. Board's looking pretty good. A few more things will peel off before the concert toms arrive. It's a good place to be. And I'm working on the shell masking jig, fixture, applicator, whatever you want to call it. One got away from me, aka I had a dumb, and the sander grabbed it, and man, it delaminated a bit.
Yeah, man, that sanding table is terrifying. It's awesome, but when it gets away from you, it's dramatic. A long time ago, the trim that's on the edge of the glass table, before there were all those wooden blocks, originally there were just like 3 or 4 of them, and the trim let go at the seam. And then I had this steel reinforced heavy rubber thing whipping around, and it caught me in the hip, and it was a surprise. It was very surprising. I was surprised.
Some people pay for that.
Yeah.
Did he do it? We'll soon find out. No.
So close.
Sweet.
Nailed it. 2 for 2.
It is just hot enough that I'm not sweating, but I'm glistening, as the ladies say.
Yeah.
And then all this sawdust is sticking
Sticks
to
to
me.
you? Yeah.
And I'm slowly becoming a shake and bake pork chop.
Yeah, that is how this feels pretty precisely.
Got this honkin' chop block, wood block, beater block for our buddy Caleb. And Bill's working on some kind of custom mounting bracket situation.
Yeah, that's the plan. Not totally sure what I'm doing here, but I kind of have an idea, so we'll see what happens.
2 Bumbling Idiots, starring Bill and me. One knows what he's trying to do, but will still mess it up. The other one's just winging it.
And those descriptions could absolutely go either way. Let's see how much trouble I can get into with this. Huh. Pretty much is working. Okay. Call that a win.
I don't possibly see how this could go wrong. I do have the depth stop set, so I won't bottom out into his table. Yep. Well, better than expected. Here, I'll make it look like I actually do something around here.